scrap fans. Thought I'd do a little video about what I'm up to at the moment. Pretty much done with all the orders for Art Weeks now. Got a few left that over there that just need collecting, so that's pretty cool. It's almost done. I decided to make a start on my next big sculpture. You can just sort of see it there. It's quite hard to point to, that's a bit weird. So yeah, I thought I'd show you what I'm doing with that at the moment. So I'm doing another grandfather clock, but I'm utilising the fact that I've got the CNC plasma now, so I can do it all out of sheet metal, the framework. So I decided to go mesh on the side and the scrap on the front there, coming up into the middle. We've got the scrap mosaic in the middle, a nice bigger framework. Where I did the framework on the last two that I've done, I used angle iron, so it's just, I think it's 25mm by 25mm, which is obviously an inch by an inch. But with this I can go a lot bigger, so that's somewhere around 50mm, so about 2 inches. I've got this here, and then we've got the nice curve to it as well. So these are all separate sheets that are welded together, and then all the welds are ground back, so you can see that there. If that'll zoom in nicely there. So what I'm actually waiting for at the moment, I can't go any further with it until the rest of the metal turns up. I've got some metal ordered, it should be turning up at some point today. Once that turns up, I can then cut the top for it, get that all cut out and welded. Figured while I'm waiting for that, I would show you what it looks like on the computer in between. So I'll show you that's what the top is going to look like there. Looks pretty basic on that. Basically then it goes over into sheet cam, and you plan out the cutting routes and what settings you want the plasma set up on and stuff. I can't remember if I've said before, but the plasma cutter that I use is an Artec. There we go. It's an Artec 4 by 4 foot CNC plasma cutter. Which is there. It's an amazing bit of kit. I've used it so much. Well, metal's turned up, so that's good. Next challenge, it turns up when it's delivered. It's in a 2.5 meter by 1.25 sheet, which is, I think that's 8 foot by 4 foot if you do the imperial version, which is that great big sheet of metal there. Now, my cutter is 4 foot by 4 foot. I can put it on where I've sort of rigged this up. I need to set up a roller really to do it properly, and I can do a guillotine cut straight across. That's all that cut out. This is the front of the top of the grandfather clock. I'll put that there. You can sort of see roughly how that's going to look. Like that. Yeah, I think that'll be it for this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos. In the next one, I will, almost definitely the next video, I'll be finishing up welding the top up into the sort of the box section that the rest of it's in, like that. And maybe if I've got all the pieces, I'll do the mosaic to fill in parts on the top as well. But yeah, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave me a comment what you think. Yeah, have a good day.